Johann Bunte is one of the leading construction companies in Germany, specializing in complex infrastructure projects, especially energy-related projects. With a history of more than 140 years of development, the company has demonstrated its outstanding capacity in implementing large-scale projects, ensuring quality and progress on schedule. One of their important projects is the installation of a 60 kilometers long double pipeline section of the EUGAL, European Gas Pipeline Link. The EUGAL project is one of the most important gas pipelines in supplying natural gas to Europe. This 60 kilometers long pipeline connects Eastern and Western European countries, playing an important role in maintaining a stable and safe gas supply. In particular, the EUGAL pipeline is capable of transporting gas from fields in Russia through Germany to other countries, helping to reduce dependence on traditional gas transportation routes. The EUGAL pipeline project is not only important for supplying natural gas to Europe, but also contributes to the development of a sustainable and secure energy infrastructure. For the energy sector, this is a strategic project that helps strengthen the connection between countries, ensure stable supply, and reduce dependence on other energy sources. EUGAL is part of a transnational energy network, helping to strengthen connectivity between regions and minimize the risk of energy shortages. In the context of Europe's transition to renewable energy, natural gas plays an important role as a transitional energy source, reducing carbon emissions compared to coal and oil. Moreover, the installation of a double pipeline helps to minimize risks during gas transportation because if an incident occurs in one pipeline, the remaining pipeline can still operate normally, ensuring uninterrupted supply. The project will not only provide jobs for thousands of workers, but will also boost economic development in the areas along the route. Before the installation begins, Johann Bunte engineers will conduct a topographic survey and check the natural factors, including soil and climate. This will ensure that the pipeline will be installed correctly and avoid problems during construction. Once the detailed designs are in place, the pipeline is transported to the construction site and installed section by section. The pipeline sections are welded together using specialized welding techniques, ensuring tightness and safety. With a total length of 60 kilometers, the project uses the most modern technology to install two parallel pipelines. Large trenches are dug to ensure that the pipeline is placed in the correct position and at the correct depth. Modern welding technology ensures that the pipeline joints are not only durable but also meet the highest safety standards. To protect the pipeline from environmental influences such as corrosion, a protective coating is applied to the pipe surface. This coating can be a plastic layer or a special paint layer, depending on the requirements and environmental conditions. After pressure and tightness testing, the pipeline is lowered into the trench and covered with soil. This process is closely monitored to avoid affecting the surrounding environment. In sensitive areas such as rivers, roads, or residential areas, the company uses HDD underground drilling technology to minimize environmental impact and ensure safety. Johann Bunte is not only involved in the installation but also provides maintenance and monitoring services for the pipeline throughout the life of the project. The company uses modern sensor technology to monitor the condition of the pipeline and promptly detect possible problems. The EUGAL gas pipeline project is not only a complex engineering project but also a symbol of sustainable development and international cooperation. As a leader in infrastructure construction, Johann Bunte is proud to be part of this important project, contributing to ensuring a safe and stable energy supply for Europe. Bouygues Travaux Publics is one of the world's leading construction companies, specializing in complex infrastructure projects, especially the construction of ports, bridges, and offshore structures. One of their most notable projects is the Monaco Seaward Expansion, a project of technical and environmental significance. Monaco, with an area of only 2.02 square kilometers, is always looking for ways to expand its urban space. The project aims to create 6 hectares of new land on the sea for the development of housing, offices, public spaces, and ecological conservation. Bouygues TP was assigned to the project, not only because of its outstanding capabilities, but also because of the company's commitment to environmental protection and the use of innovative technology. The project is divided into 5 phases, detailed below. Phase 1, Survey and Planning. Bouygues TP's engineering team carried out a detailed survey to understand the geological structure of the seabed, ocean currents, and the impact on the marine ecology. The technical plan was designed to ensure safety and optimize the construction space, while minimizing negative impacts on the environment. Phase 2, Breakwater Construction. One of the most important parts of the project was the installation of the caissons, giant concrete cubes. A total of 18 caissons, each 27 meters high, 26 meters long, and weighing up to 10,000 tons, were prefabricated and towed into place by specialized ships. The caissons were placed precisely in place using advanced GPS positioning technology. They were then filled with sand to provide stability and resistance to large waves. The breakwater was covered with rocks and special layers of materials to minimize the impact of waves and prevent erosion. Phase 3, Backfilling and Foundation. Sand is pumped from offshore mines and pumped into the caissons area to fill the space, creating a land adjacent to the shore. After the sand is filled, the soil is compacted to ensure the stability of the structures on the surface. Underground water pipes and channels are installed to prevent seawater intrusion, ensuring long-term safety. Phase 4, Infrastructure Construction. Roads, parks, and public areas are built to serve the needs of living and transportation. Modern buildings are built, in line with the architecture and style of Monaco. The project integrates green technologies such as solar energy systems and wastewater recycling. Phase 5, Environmental Restoration. Bouygues TP has installed artificial reefs around the breakwater to create a new habitat for marine life. Environmental experts are constantly monitoring to ensure the project does not harm the ecosystem. Bouygues TP uses submerged caissons technology, an effective solution in reducing the impact on the seabed and maintaining long-term stability. The breakwater is the main structure that protects the reclaimed area from the impact of waves and high tides. All concrete used in the project has a low carbon ratio and is produced with recycling technology. They also apply modern construction technologies such as BIM, building information modeling, 3D printing, construction robots, to increase productivity, ensure quality, and minimize risks. The project has helped increase the area of high-value land, providing space for high-end residential and commercial projects, helping to boost the Monaco economy, providing more living and entertainment space for people, helping to improve the quality of life in Monaco. This is also a model for sustainable construction projects at sea, with a commitment to preserving and improving the marine environment. Bouygues TP's Monaco offshore expansion project is not only an engineering feat, but also a symbol of the balance between development and conservation. With innovative solutions and a focus on the environment, Bouygues TP is setting a milestone in the field of maritime infrastructure construction, contributing to the sustainable future of Monaco. GB Silo System AG is a leading company specializing in the design, construction, and installation of large-scale silo systems. These silos are used for the storage of grains, seeds, and other agricultural products. Known for their high-quality engineering and innovative technology, GB Silo System AG has established itself as a trusted partner for farmers, cooperatives, and agro-industrial enterprises worldwide. GB Silo uses the most advanced technology to ensure the quality and operational efficiency of silo towers. The steel plates are coated with anti-corrosion zinc, helping the silo towers withstand harsh environmental conditions such as high humidity, temperature fluctuations, and chemicals in agricultural products. CNC precision machining technology ensures that the steel plates are cut and punched with high precision, easy to join during installation. Heavy-duty galvanized bolts ensure long-term structural durability. Silos can be tailored to specific requirements, such as capacity, height, and diameter. Options for flat-bottom or hopper-bottom silos depending on the application. Hermetically sealed systems to preserve product quality and prevent contamination. Integrated aeration, temperature monitoring, and pest control systems for optimal grain storage. Ventilation and cooling system maintains stable temperature and humidity, preventing mold and insects. Smart sensor system helps to continuously monitor temperature, humidity, and pressure inside the silo, providing real-time data to managers. Designed to store thousands of tons of agricultural products, supporting large-scale farming and industrial operations. Components such as wall panels, roof sheets, and structural reinforcements are prefabricated in a controlled factory setting, ensuring high quality and faster on-site assembly. Silos are constructed using modular panels that are easy to transport and assemble on-site. Modular design allows for scalability, enabling future expansion. GB Silo's silo tower installation process is carried out professionally and scientifically, ensuring safety and efficiency. The company's team of experts conducts a survey of the terrain, environmental conditions, and storage needs of customers to come up with a suitable design. The installation area is reinforced with a solid foundation, ensuring the load-bearing capacity of the silo tower. Silo components are manufactured at GB Silo's factory with modern technology, then strictly inspected for quality before being transported to the construction site. Panels are transported to the site and bolted together using specialized high-strength bolts. A crane is often used to assemble the upper sections and install the roof structure. The silo roof is assembled with pre-sloped sheets to facilitate water runoff. A high-performance sealant is applied to the joints between the panels to ensure airtightness and water resistance. The roof panels, typically made of steel or concrete, are assembled and lifted into place. Ventilation systems are installed to regulate temperature and humidity within the silo, preventing spoilage and pest infestation. Efficient loading and unloading systems, such as conveyor belts and pneumatic systems, are integrated into the silo design. Cleaning systems are installed to maintain the cleanliness and hygiene of the silo. Advanced monitoring systems are implemented to track temperature, humidity, and other critical parameters, ensuring optimal storage conditions. Structural integrity tests are conducted to ensure the silo can handle the specified load. Calibration of aeration and monitoring systems for optimal performance. GB Silo applied key technologies in the process. Sophisticated 3D modeling software is used to optimize the silo design, ensuring structural integrity and efficient material usage. High-precision steel fabrication techniques, including laser cutting and robotic welding, are employed to produce high-quality components. Advanced sealing technologies are used to create airtight and watertight seals, preventing moisture ingress and product degradation. Energy-efficient ventilation systems are designed to maintain optimal air quality and temperature within the silo. Real-time monitoring systems provide valuable data on silo conditions, enabling proactive maintenance and management. GB Silo Systems has certain benefits. It protects grains and seeds from pests, moisture, and mold, reduces post-harvest losses, and optimizes storage capacity. Modular designs allow for easy expansion as storage needs grow, offers remote monitoring and control for enhanced operational efficiency. By combining cutting-edge technology with experienced craftsmanship, GB Silo System AG delivers reliable, durable, and efficient silo solutions that meet the highest industry standards.